Hi, Kaylee. I think your work looks wonderful. I definitely think you got a professional presentation and you're ready to jump out into the world. I only had two comments. I mentioned this before. This apple kind of looks like a merged apple. Um, so consider either fixing this so that the center doesn't look like it's all part of one bad apple. And then also work on the type, like um, it goes stem space and end or whatever. See if you can make that transition a little more smooth. There, that was my final like portfolio piece comment. And then the other thing is you want to be consistent with these blue subheads. I did notice with this Arizona Organic, like it suddenly got a lot bigger. So you think you'll find that it looks more professional if you're consistent, because you're very consistent with them until it gets to the Arizona, and then the size jumps. And it goes down again, and then the vape shop is real big, and then it goes down again. All right, so I thought that was a little strange that those got bigger. Anyway, great work. Bye.